Hi, everybody. This is Debbie Wemyss, founder of DW Consulting Solutions. So we're pretty excited. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary. I can't even imagine 10 years has gone by in the blink of an eye. And we are doing a series of videos with our staff. We thought it would be really fun to introduce everybody to all the people that are making this possible. I sure have not done it alone. And that also brings me to mention the many wonderful clients that we have, people that have supported us from day one. I have several mentors that helped make us global, and we are just so appreciative of everyone's love and support. We are very grateful to love what we do. We wake up every day ready to go and just continue offering the best service we can to our clients and really anyone that wants to know more about how to use LinkedIn effectively for branding and marketing. This is all we do. It is our focus all by itself. LinkedIn for over 10 years. We'd love you to visit our website, get in touch with us, connect with us, and by all means, invest in our expertise so that you can improve yours. This is all about branding and marketing. We customize all of our coaching, and we are now very pleased to offer everything we do in 3 languages: English, Portuguese, and Spanish. So jump on with us and learn more about LinkedIn. Subscribe to our monthly newsletter. Definitely connect with all of us on the staff. You'll be seeing those videos one by one shortly. And again, our heartfelt thanks for everything that you've done to help us get to where we are today. Thank you.